welcome to new CCNA 200-125 routing and switching full course part 2.
In this video lesson, we are going to learn about basics of networking. Networking is an interconnection between two or more electronic devices to share data. Example, computer networking. Okay, here is an example of a small computer networking. In this diagram, you can see that more than two electronic devices such as computers are interconnected to share data. So it's an example of a small computer networking. The benefits of computer networking. Okay, we can divide the benefits of computer networking into three main categories, that are resource sharing, communication, critical storage. We can divide resource sharing into two main categories, that are hardware resource sharing and software resource sharing. In hardware resource sharing, we can share our hardware such as printer, hard disk, etc. In software resource sharing, we can share videos, images and applications like MS Office, etc. Okay. Second one is for communication. We can use our networking for communication purpose. Example, the Skype. We can use audio video chatting, send and receive emails, etc. Okay. Third one is for critical storage. We can use our networking for critical storage purpose. Example, office use concept and a data backup concept. After networking means after the process of connecting different networking devices together, we can create network. In this diagram, we can see that after the process of networking, means after the process of interconnecting different networking devices, we could create two networks, that are network 1 and network 2. And we could configure the PC1, PC2, PC3 are in network 1 and PC4, PC5 and PC6 are in network 2. Okay, next one is different types of network. According to the geographical size, we can divide the networks into PAN, LAN, CAN, WAN, etc. Okay, first one is PAN. PAN means personal area network. Okay, personal area network means that the network connection in a very short range. Example, the Bluetooth connectivity between two devices. Next one is CAN. CAN means campus area network. The network connection between different LANs in a campus is known as campus area network. Let's assume that it's a campus of a university or a college or anything like that. Here you can see that here have three buildings. Building 1, building 2, building 3. Each building have a LAN or LANs. Here have LAN 1, in this building 1 have LAN 1 and another building 2 have LAN 2, LAN 3, etc. Okay, these are different buildings. We need to connect these LANs together to create network. So the connection between different LANs in a campus is known as campus area network. Next one is LAN, means a local area network. Usually the network in an office or in a building is known as LAN. Just consider that it's a network in an office or a building. Here you can see that, just assume that we can have a lot of computers, servers, switch, IP phones, etc. We can simply call it as a LAN because here all the devices are connected locally. So we can call it as a LAN. Example, the network in an office or in a building. Next one is WAN. WAN means wide area network. That's you know very much. That simply we can call it as internet. It's a type of network connection that in a large distance, or the network connection between different nations such as India, UK, USA. See you at the next class.